Let's talk about Radix Sort. Radix Sort is a non-comparative sorting algorithm, avoids comparison by creating and distributing elements into buckets according to their radix. For elements with more than one significant digit, the bucketing process is repeated for each digit. The bucketing progress is repeating for each digits while preserving the order of the previous step until all the digits have been considered. For this reason, Radix sort also have been called bucket sort or digital sort. So Radix sort can be implemented to the start at either most significant digit or the least significant digit. For example, you can start from the MSD or LSD. LSD sort typically use the following sort order. So short keys come before the long keys. Then the keys with the same length are sorted lexicographically. It coincides with the normal order of integer representation. LSD sort is generally, we call it a stable sort. It's a stable sort. So let's take a look about this example. So we have the digits 1, 2, 3. All the digits in here is 1, 2, 3, and occurrence is 3, 2. This is we only available for the positive numbers. Only available for positive numbers for now. But later, if we encounter negative numbers, let's say, how can we offset it? So given the integers here, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, then occurrence 3, 2, 3, 3, then 3, 5, 8, 1. The presum of it is 3. 3 plus 2 equal to 5, and then also plus 5 plus 3 is 8, then is 11. This is a presum. Then let's take a look about, this is the original array, right? Then from the right to left, for all the digits we try to do it from the traverse from the right to left. Then 2, then because 2 is over here is less than 2, so we put here, then less than, then the presum is less or equal to 2, which is 7 over here. 6 is over here. Because it's 6, then we put over here. But now we encounter the 1, right? The 1. Then 1 is 5, so we minus 1 is 4. 4 is where? Is here, right? 4. Then same for the 0, less or equal to 0, which is this one, right? This one is this one actually is 2. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2, which is here. Then minus 1 equal to 1. So here this 2, right? This 2, I can write it in this way. This 2. Then presum is you can see it's 3. It's we go to the 3 and 1, right? The 3 and 1. 3 is 11. 11 minus 1, 10. 10. Okay, good. Then 1, 1, 4 minus 1, 3 over here. So you can see difference. I can draw it over here. Okay. Then presum for this one is the same for then we go to here 2. This 2 over here is 6 minus 1 equals 5, which is here. Then it's here, so you can see the difference. Same for the 3, right? Same for the 3, which is 10 minus 1 is 9. It's the same for the 1. Same for 1, less than 1. Then you go to here 0 because it's 0, right? So you put here. That's the difference. Then lastly is 8 over here. And okay, that's the logics. And here you can see the difference, which is, this is another case if we sort for the 10th digits, right? Okay, here is a demonstration is the same, because for this one, right, we firstly obtain this you can see more than, there's a less or equal to 0 is 3, occurrence, right, occurrence is 3, and this occurrence is 5, less or equal to 1 is 5. So we can see, so lastly we go traverse from in this direction, traverse in this direction, right? Then 0 is 2, because 1, so 3 minus 1 equal to 2, right? So put here 3 minus 1. Then this one, 1 minus 1 minus 1 is 4. 5 minus 1 is 4, because it's 1, right? Then we try this one, 0 0 1 already, then put where? Put here, put here. Then lastly is this one, right? Then is minus 4 minus 1 is 3, so put over here, right? Put over here, I can draw it so it's more clear. Lastly, this one, right, minus is 0, so we can put over here. So this is lastly for the 3 1 0. That's the logics, and we can take a look about the code. So call code of the radix sort ensures there's no negative numbers in the array. N is length of array, bits is the number of digits, right? Number of digits with maximum number in the array it is. So offset equal to the base to the power of I for all I, then count, then you have a CNT equal to 0 multiply base, right? This is a count, is a set the range of it. Then for techniques to extracting the certain digit of from a number, convert the form of cumulative prefix count, right? Then technique for the partitions, and technique for the certain digit of the number, which is a hop function. So we'll take a look about the sort array. So find the minimum number in the array, each number in the array for loop, each number in the array minus the minimum number in the array, converting the array to non-negative arrays. Record the maximum values in the array. Decide how many rounds of radix sort perform based on the number of digits that of maximum number in the base digits. All numbers in the array have been reduced by the minimum value, so don't forget to restore them to the end. So you restore them plus equal to the minimum value to the end. Return the number of digits, which is number of digits of number in the base radix. And technique to reduce this radix sort is to reduce to a certain range. Then this one is to calculate the presum, right? Presum is a range, right? It's a range from 1 to base, right? Then this is a range from is a technique for the partitioning. This is for partitioning. And lastly is extracting the certain digits. So extracting a certain digit of a number. It's a CNT to offset base. This is to extract. Then you put the hop function, right? Hop function to get it. Hop is a bucket. Hop is a bucket. The count is presum. Presum is count. Is presum. Then help is a bucket. Okay, let me say again about the step 1 is to find the largest element in the array. It have 3 digits, so we iterate 3 times, 1 for each significant place. Iterate 3 times, 1 for, iterate 3 times, step 1. Iterate for once for each significant place. Then sort the element based on unit place digits. We use stable sorting techniques such as counting sort. Perform counting sort on array based on unit place. Sort the element based on tens place digit, unit place digit on each place. Then unit place digits sort on unit place or tens place unit place digits. Sort based on 100 place digits. Then finish is now is on ascending order.